Welcome to MY Bharat, the National Youth-Centric Portal of India. This video is a step-by-step guide on how a youth club can register itself on MY Bharat portal. Begin by signing into the portal. Click on the menu icon and choose Sign In. If you are a new user, complete your registration first. Once registered, log in using your registered email ID or mobile number. You can choose to log in either via app or password. Enter your details, provide your consent, and proceed to log in. Enter the app received on your email or mobile, and verify it. After logging in, update any missing profile details if required. Now, go to your MY Bharat profile dashboard and scroll down. Click on Create Organization to begin. Start by uploading your youth club logo and banner. Click on the camera icon to upload these images. Next, add a brief description of your youth club and proceed. Under Organization Details, select Category, Not-for-Profit. Subcategory, Youth Club. You will be required to upload the Memorandum of Association or bylaws. Download the template, fill in all details, and keep a scanned PDF ready for upload. Enter your youth club name and its short form, if applicable. Select the nodal designation. Fill in the complete address details, including state, district, area type urban or rural, block, village, PIN code, and landmark. Your contact details will be autofilled from your profile. You may update your mobile number, email, or website, if needed. Next, provide infrastructure details whether your club has a physical office. If yes, specify the type of office. Add funding details, if applicable. Select the activities your youth club is involved in. You can choose multiple activities and relevance of activities. In the Establishment section, mention whether your club is registered under the Society Registration Act. If yes, provide details such as date of establishment, registration number, and upload the certificate. Now, upload the bylaws or memorandum document prepared earlier. If your club is already affiliated with MY Bharat, select Yes and provide the details. This step is optional. Next comes membership details. You must add a minimum of 6 members. Search and add members using their mobile number, email ID, or MY Bharat ID. Assign roles to each member. Note: only one person can be assigned as president, general secretary, and treasurer, while multiple members can be added. If a member is not registered on the portal, you can invite them via email or mobile. They will receive an invitation to register and join. Once all members are added, review the list carefully. You can edit or remove members if needed. Optionally, enter a referral code provided by the district youth officer. You may also upload any additional supporting documents. Click on Preview and carefully review all entered details, including organization info, activities, members, documents, and uploads. You can download a copy for reference if required. Finally, accept the declaration and click on Submit. Your application will be successfully submitted. To check the status, visit the Organization section on the portal. Once approved, the status will be updated accordingly. Please note, approval is granted by the District Youth Officer, and it will only be processed once all invited members accept their joining request. Invited members can log into their profile and click on Accept to confirm their membership. Once all members have accepted and approval is granted, your youth club status will change to approved. You can then access your youth club dashboard, where you can create events, track activities, and view reports.